So as we progress the hip rotation mobility, the next progression would be sitting in this hip 90-90 position. If you remember from the tests, the goal is to be able to sit here unsupported. I can do it well on this side. I can't do it well on the other side because I have a tight hip. And I need to work on that. So what I would do here to start, you gotta sit up tall, bring one hip out, and then 90-degree angle in the knee. Take this other one about 90 degrees out, knee 90 degrees back. For me, I'm a little unstable here, so I would start the yoga block under my butt, just to help even me out, so I can sit taller, and then you can lean into this stretch. It's kind of like the figure 4 stretch. You can hold it for like 2 breaths in and out, and then you can lean this way, stretching into that groin. You can hold that for 2 breaths, and you can come back forward. Hold that for 2 breaths, and you come back the other way.